Um, thank you so much, guys, for the gifts. Thank you. ራሴ ላይ ፎከስ እያደረኩ ነው። በቃ ፈቅጄለታለሁ ራሴ እንዲረጋጋ። ከማንም ሰው ጋር መሮጥ የለብኝም። ተረጋግቼ ራሴን አግኝቼ everything is going to change again. Everything. 100%. Arat family, 15,000 people. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I appreciate you. And አንዳንዴ ስገባም በእንግሊሽ ትንሽ ለፍልፌ ልውጣ። የውጭ ሀገር እንትኖች ከመጡ አይታወቅም። እድል መጠቀም እኮ ነው አሁን ጊዜ እኮ እና yes ሪከርድ አድርጋችሁ ፖስት በሉልኝ እስኪ። This is for Africans. My name is Adonai. I am Ethiopian content creator. Mainly I am a coach, a guide, and what can I say? My goal is to create a positive impact in our generation, healing, self-belief, confidence, faith, self-love. You know, these are the things that I want to coach and guide people on, because I used to be the opposite of the things that I mentioned. I used to be shy. I used to hate myself. I used to believe that I am below than everyone. I always wished the worst for myself, and it's just reached a point where I gave up in life, and it kind of made me awake. The fact that I've reached to that level of like, you know what, I give up. I want to like finish everything. I became awake to why I was being the worst to myself, and I learned how to treat myself. I learned how to live life. I learned to see reality with a different perspective. And I realized that everything that has been harming me was the programming that I carried all the way from when I was a child to at the age of the time I decided to give up. So this is what I want to help people with. This is why I have to be international. This is why I believe that African people need this, and also the international media also needs this. We need healing at the moment. We need so much positive and guide and coaches to be on social media guiding humanity and changing the frequency and shifting the world to love, belief, faith, and everything that has to do with, you know, like, what can I say, life. So this is my purpose, and this is why I want to be international. የአገሬ ልጆች እወዳችኋለሁ። እቺ ነገር ኮፒ አድርጋችሁ ፖስት ብትሉልኝ ደስ ይለኛል። እወዳችኋለሁ።